how to buy Aicean token. Now this token came under the symbol of AICE. So it's called AICE or AIC. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free monthly rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. Now this token is available on MEXC, so go and open your MEXC account like that. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your token with some USD. Now after you log into your account on MEXC, in the search you can type the token name is IC. So select this pair. Wait a few seconds to load this page. So as you can see, this is our token. Now if you click on buy, select the limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of the USDT on your account, and here click on buy AIC. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of the USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy AIC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.